In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to WX store product variations. We'll walk through creating a product and setting up size choices so shoppers can pick exactly what they want. Start on your WIX dashboard. Head to your store area and open the catalog. This is where all your products live and where you'll add a new one. Click New Product to begin, and when you're asked what type of product you're creating, choose Physical Product. Variations like sizes or colors are supported for physical items, so this is the right path. On the new product page, begin by adding your images and videos. Use clear, well-lit photos that show the product from multiple angles. If you have a short demo clip, add it too. It helps customers visualize the item and reduces returns. Next, enter a clear product name. Keep it concise and descriptive so it's easy to scan in search results and on mobile. Then write a helpful description. Cover the key features, materials, fit or sizing notes, and any care instructions. This context builds trust and can improve conversion. Now scroll to the product options section, the place where you set up variations. Click Add Options. In the option name field, type the kind of choice you're offering. For this example, name it size. Keep capitalization consistent with the rest of your store. In the choices field, type the specific selections customers will pick from. Enter S for small, M for medium, and O is for large. Separate each choice so they appear as individual options. You can always rename these later or use full words if that matches your brand style, but letters are quick and familiar in apparel. Click Add to confirm the option and generate the variations. At this point, WIX creates a version of the product for each size, which you can manage further if needed. To preserve everything you've entered, click Save. That's the essential step that locks in your images, details, and the new size options. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Consistent naming prevents confusion, specific descriptions reduce questions, and strong visuals increase confidence. If you ever need to change your options, maybe add an extra large, just return to the same product options area and update your choices. Your customers will then see the new selection on the product page. And that's it. You set up product variations in your WIX store, from a blank product to clear size choices that are ready for shoppers.